Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today, January 26, 2019, the home of the 2-minute price prediction, as well as giving you all the news according to the charts. We're going to talk about Tron paired against USD. You guys can see this coin has been on fire. It continues to be showing us indication of strength coming in the market. So we're going to ask you all the question: how high will the price of Tron go before we hit some resistance? So we're going to talk about that today in our analysis for this coin. Before I do though, if you do like this particular type of video content on YouTube, make sure that you go ahead and like and share this content, because we're here to show you all that you can actually predict price movement without causing you any confusion. As you can tell by our chart, we don't have any indicators on our chart to try to confuse the mess out of you, because all those indicators simply cause analysis paralysis, to where you become stuck as to what you think the actual price movement is going to do. So once you take all that off your chart, you literally will become more proficient in your understanding, as well as maintaining profitability and increasing your profits. Okay, so right now we are looking at the weekly chart for Tron. You can see here that the market has been obeying our ascension line over the last 3 weeks. We're still seeing indications of strength coming into the market on a weekly time frame, but I want to point this out to every one of you, that the market in Tron is hitting some resistance right now. So we can actually see Tron hit the bottom next week from this resistance area, because this has been plaguing this currency for really moving to the upside. Even during the week of January the 7th, Tron cannot even break above that resistance line. So we're going to try it again, but I don't like the amount of volume that is being reflected on that weekly bar in order for us to see a continuation to the upside. Okay, so here we are looking at on the daily time frame. You can tell here that the strength has been very relentless into pushing this coin to the upside, and we're coming right back here to some prior areas of resistance. So caution is still warranted in the market in Tron. But I can tell you all from a daily time frame point that 0.028 cent area has to be support in order for us to try to break above this 3-cent resistance area. Okay, 3-hour chart in Tron, we still can see here that the market is very relentless. The strength is coming into space. We just had opportunity of some sellers coming to the market right here at our resistance area, try to push the price down, but it is not being successful as of now. Okay, so the market in Tron is still reflecting to us some strength. I am still expecting the market to try to hold this consolidation, but you have to be careful once you hit these resistance areas, because the market can definitely get hit with some stockpile and push this price to the downside, which is why I have identified that 0.028 cents has to be maintained support in order for us to see the continuation to the upside in this particular coin. So again, market has to be placed on notice and on guard, because stockpile is coming to the market. Strength is trying to absorb it though, I can tell you all that now. But as we trade out today, going into tomorrow's trading, as long as we're able to stay above this support area 0.028, Tron is going to try to break above this 3-cent resistance area at a later time. Okay, so our analysis is still for Tron to continue to move to the upside, but I am telling you now that resistance is right in tow. You have to be real careful at how high Tron is going to trade, especially considering the fact that it has already touched this resistance area. So I'm looking for Tron to continue to move higher, but there's still a slim probability that it will not do it, because it was not able to do it multiple times here in the background of this chart. So again, keep your eyes out on that. But we're still seeing some strength coming into the market. We can get some sellers coming in, which means that we will move to the downside, but I'll be fine with that as long as it's able to trade above that 0.028 cent price. I will be fine with that. Okay, weakness is coming in, but again, don't worry about that as long as we're able to hold this 0.028 as support. Okay, so I'm looking for trying to move higher, but in the meantime, we can continue to see some sellers coming to the market to push this price down. And as we see that price coming down, as long as we trade above this 0.028 cents, I'm looking for it to move higher. So that is our playbook. That is how we're expecting this particular coin to trade. Give us your thoughts, give us your opinion on how you expect Tron to trade over the next couple of hours, even into tomorrow's trading day. I know it may seem a little bit confusing on what I have just stated, but that is how you had to play this particular market. You got to give you some variables, some options as to what you expect this particular coin to do, considering that it is now trading around a resistance area. Okay, so that is our analysis, that is our points. Give us your thoughts, give us your opinion as to what you expect Tron to do as well, with a comment in the comment section of this video. We do appreciate you all taking out the opportunity out to watch this video. Make sure you all maintain your profitability, and I will talk to you all later.